Snow is falling on the trees, whispering winter to the breeze. Ice will enter without a care. Leaves have fallen, the trees are bare. Nights are long and so is a winter storm. Snowflake, snowflake, where do you lead? To the spring and the summer wind. Piles of snow have come today. Will the blizzard go away? Nights are long and so is a winter storm. Carpet of snow lay on the ground. Sounds of children are all around. Snowmen begin their upward climb. Lost to summer, it's such a crime. Nights are long and so is a winter storm. Has brought the evening frost. It's not a time to get us lost. Frozen forests can bring the end. Our body warmth we must defend. Nights are long and so is a winter storm. Is a winter storm. Is a winter storm. Snow is falling on the trees, whispering winter to the breeze. A cool wind ripped the white evening sky. This old house just creaked and sighed. Now the night sings its song of the winter storm. There's no one out in this beastly storm. We stay inside where it's snug and warm. Crystals sail about the drifted dunes. Windows rattle to the haunting tune. The night sings out its song of the winter storm. Ice slips a line along the lonely road, holding leaves in its ruts below. There's no soul there to listen to the eerie sounds of the wind driving through, as the night sings out its song of the winter storm. The wind dies slow as the morning dawns. Blankets of snow wrap all around. A frozen forest hosts bitter night. Now children squeal in released delight. The night has lost, and so has the winter storm. The night has lost, and so has the winter storm.